Alright everyone, welcome back to another one. Second video on the day. Let's get into it. So you know I picked up the Samsung Galaxy S21FE, and you guys and gals know whenever I pick up a device, I gotta pick up a case to go along with it. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the, and I know I'm gonna butcher this, but bear with me, the Yetagso magnetic case for the Samsung Galaxy S21FE. Now, y'all know I had to go with a clean case, as I always do for a device that I'm deciding to pick up and use for a main purpose. But the primary thing that I like about this case, aside from the price, I was actually able to get this for $10, $999.99. But the thing that I love about this case is the fact that it comes with MagSafe. So this should enable MagSafe on my S21FE. And for those of you that didn't watch my previous videos, but I've actually MagSafed out everywhere in my room here, okay? So y'all can see I got a MagSafe charger right there. I actually have another MagSafe charger on my nightstand, and I am still in the process of getting the Apple Watch SE and the AirPod Pros, and all of that supports MagSafe, so I figured I might as well go ahead and convert everything to MagSafe. And if you check out my car accessory videos, I've already converted all the accessories in my car to MagSafe, so y'all know what it is. Any device that you see me using going forward on the channel is probably going to have a similar style MagSafe case to it, whether that be a Samsung device, a Google device, a Motorola device, anything that I'm going to be using, I'm going to have to pick up one of these MagSafe style cases. Alright, but that's enough talking. Let's crack into this. Let's try it on, and let me get my first impressions going here. Now, first impressions of the overall packaging and presentation. Yetagso, you guys actually did a good job. It's very clean, very straightforward, minimal company branding on here, okay? Little barcode, and it comes in a nice plastic baggie with a styrofoam insert. So let's go ahead and crack this open. I think the opening is up here, and the dang, my device is just sliding all over the place. Hold on 1 second. I thought my table was level, but I guess not, because it keeps sliding up and down. Let me put that right there for a second, and let's crack into this. Very simple, very straightforward, just like that, and out we go. And yeah, that actually looks really good. Take out the foam insert here, okay, and it does look like, oh, it comes with a cleaning cloth kit. I'm guessing it's supposed to have a screen protector with it, I guess, but I didn't get one. Yeah, I think that's what that is. A screen protector kit there. But it didn't say it was coming with one, and it didn't come with one, so we'll rest this off to the side here. Alright, but first impressions of the case right here, it actually looks really good. I'm a big fan of these minimal style cases here. Now, I couldn't find one that was cheap like this, that gave us that faux carbon fiber look, okay? Because y'all know, let me pull out that Pixel 6a. I'm big on that faux carbon fiber look. Alright. And let's pull out the iPhone 11. I threw a MagSafe ring on my iPhone 11 just to get that MagSafe on the iPhone 11. So yeah, it is what it is. But this actually looks pretty good. This seems like some really nice material. Now, I was hoping for a more matte material, and it's a little bit more glossy, and it does seem like it's picking up fingerprints, but it is black, so it's very hard to see. But if I tilt it in the light just right, you can see it picked up some fingerprint oils already. But yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. And you can see we do have that MagSafe ring on the inside. Should have full protection for our cameras. Looks like we have all the necessary cutouts, speaker grill, charging port, microphones. We should be good to go. Alright, let's go ahead and slap it on the the S21FE right now. See how we do. Alright, slotting that in. Boom, and it goes right in there. Alright, so not bad. Not bad at all. And I have to say, it looks pretty good. And it offers maximum protection for my device. So you can see the cameras now are fully protected. We got a nice raised lip on the cameras there. You can see the sides are protected. The display is protected. We do have a nice raised lip on the display. Now I haven't gotten a screen protector yet, so I'm not going to drop it. Okay. But if you look, we do have a nice raised lip for that display now. We do have a lanyard cut out here. So if I did want to add a lanyard strap, we can do that. We got fully protected power and volume buttons. Let me check the clickiness. A little mushy. Still functional, but a little mushy. Not as clicky as I would like, but functional. Good stuff. Now, let's check the MagSafe capabilities here. That's the biggest thing about this case. Let's check this, baby. Let's go. So let me drop that on. Let me line that up. Drop that on. Boom! And we start charging, baby. There it is. So we've officially MagSafed out the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. And y'all can see it's actually charging up right now. And it's telling me about 34 minutes to full charge. So that's pretty good. Now, the MagSafe chargers, everyone, they actually max out at about 7 to 15 watts. So they don't really give you fast charging, but it's more of a convenience thing. And now I can charge my devices without ever having to plug them in. And now when I get into the car, I can just drop my devices on the MagSafe accessories and then we could ride out. So this is a super convenient thing for me. And that's why I got these things like this. But first impressions of the Yetagso case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. And you can see it pops off easily right there. This actually seems like it might be a winner, man. This might be a really good winner here. Alright, so good stuff. Now keep in mind, guys and gals, this is just an unboxing and first impressions video. I'm going to use this case for about a week or so and then come out with my full review on the case and let you guys and gals know if this case is worth picking up for your device. Alright? Especially if you were able to get the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE for a great price like I did. Maybe you're in the market for a really good case, some screen protectors. I got you, man. I got you. Got you. So y'all stay on the lookout for my continued coverage on this case and my continued coverage on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE itself. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. As always, if this video piqued your interest, all the affiliated links as to where you guys and gals can pick up this case or the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE itself will be linked up down below in the video description, along with any or all of my other recommended accessories. So down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for everyone, and you should be good to go. And keep in mind, down below in the video description will contain affiliated buy links, meaning when you guys and gals make your purchases using those affiliated buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I really do consider those affiliated buy links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. Alright, today's video was once again recorded using the rear-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. It's kind of daunting to me that eventually I won't have to say that anymore, because we will be using this device as the primary recording device for the channel. But I've been saying that for so long, just trying to wrap my head around not saying that kind of makes me sad. I've been using these S10es what feels like forever now, and it kind of makes me sad that I'm going to be retiring them if this device works out the way that I need it to. But it is what it is. Alright, so that does it for this video here today, guys and gals. Once again, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If you did, and or you found it helpful, y'all know what to do. Please help your boy out. Y'all don't know how much that helps me out, but it helps me out so much. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Alright, now I can finish setting up this device. We got it cased out. It's good to go. The data is working. Now I can get my setup all right, and we can start testing it out, especially these cameras. Woo! Let's go. Alright, catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.